What if the future of finance isn't in stocks or bonds, but in digital assets? What if the next big financial revolution isn't happening on Wall Street, but on the blockchain? Welcome. And today, we navigate the intriguing world of cryptocurrency and the journey to the potential approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF, in the year 2024. Our story begins in October of 2023. Bitcoin, the largest and most influential cryptocurrency, leaps past the $30,000 mark, driven by a surge of optimism surrounding a potential spot Bitcoin ETF. As news spreads, hopeful investors and industry giants alike turn their eyes toward the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, with bated breath. The optimism is not unfounded. Major financial players such as BlackRock and Fidelity have thrown their hats into the ring. Their applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs join the growing pile under the SEC's scrutiny. Even Google Trends indicates a surge in search interest for spot Bitcoin ETF, reflecting the burgeoning mainstream interest. The stakes are high. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF would address key issues such as custody and security, making Bitcoin more accessible to the average investor. The potential for regulatory approval sends Bitcoin soaring to $35,000 for the first time in 17 months. But the path to approval is not without potential pitfalls. The volatile and speculative nature of Bitcoin, as well as concerns about fraud and manipulation, weigh heavily on the SEC's decision. Despite these concerns, industry insiders remain optimistic. Billionaire Mike Novogratz predicts spot ETF approval within the year. As we move into November of 2023, Bitcoin continues its upward trajectory with a staggering 117% increase in value. The upcoming halving event in 2024, where the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions will be cut in half, creates additional buzz. Some analysts even estimate that SEC approval could push Bitcoin's price to $180,000 before the scheduled halving. However, there are those who caution against unfettered optimism. JP Morgan strategists warn that the recent rally may be overdone and that new institutional products may only attract flows from existing Bitcoin products. Regulatory updates that restrict access to Bitcoin could also impact its gains. As we look forward to 2024, the year of the halving, we find ourselves on the precipice of potential financial revolution. The approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could mark a turning point in the acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrency. But the road to approval is fraught with uncertainty, and the outcome is far from guaranteed. In summary, the journey towards the possible approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF has been an exciting one, filled with soaring highs and cautious warnings. The potential for a revolution in finance is tantalizing, but the future remains uncertain. It's a story of optimism and caution, of potential gains and possible pitfalls. But one thing is clear: the world of cryptocurrency is a space to watch closely in the coming years. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the past, present, and potential future of cryptocurrency and ETFs.